Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the bottom sealing joint on your Siemens dishwasher. This will also apply to other models as well. So I bought a replacement part here, and this is the bit we're going to be replacing. It's going to go in this way. So this bit is going to go down the bottom and it's going to place in like so. So as you can see, the old one has perished, mainly because there was a rinse aid leak from this machine and it was gathering on this bit here and it's damaged the rubber. So let's pull the old one out and then we're going to slot this one in like so. So you're going to open up the door and then simply grab it and you just lift it outwards, just like that. And then you're going to place the new one in with the harder plastic down the bottom, and it just simply clips into place. That's it, it's as easy as that. And now you can see the seal looks nicer, and if you have a look at the old one, can you see where it broke here? So it's come away from here. So it's a very simple job to do. If this video's helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.